In this video, I show you how to delete your account on Facebook. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Tap this menu icon. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Privacy Shortcuts. Scroll down until you see your Facebook information. Now go to Delete your account and information. Select Delete account and tap Continue to Account Deletion. Here Facebook says if you delete your account, any pages where you are the only admin and any additional profiles you have will also be deleted. Now tap Continue. Tap Continue to Account Deletion. Here are some options Facebook is offering. You can read them before deleting your account. Scroll down and tap Delete Account. Now enter your password. Tap Continue. This is final step. Tap Delete Account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. If you log in within this period, the deletion process will be stopped. That's it. I hope the video helped you. Please like the video. It helps me out. Thank you.